Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello
Hello
guys.
guys.
Today we are from group 5. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Abduljabar Hassan Adam Ali. And you?
My name is Daffa Danendra Fairuzza.
And my name is Ammar Arifin.
Today we're gonna speak about the existence of clouds and rain. Let's just start from the beginning.
Okay, I will explain Al-Quran and meteorological studies. Western scientists have been studying meteorological phenomena for the past 300 years ago, but the Quran has alluded to various meteorological phenomena dating back 1,400 years ago as part of its scientific practice. So this is the proof that Al-Quran is made by Allah and Al-Quran is not made by Muhammad. Because if anyone say that Al-Quran is made by Muhammad, they are wrong. Meteorology is the study of the atmosphere and processes within it, such as first wind movement and second air pressure and the last cloud formation. Okay, several verses in the Quran discuss this phenomenon, including Surah Ar-Rum verse 48 explain the role of wind in moving clouds to make it rain. Surah An-Nur verse 43 provides details on how clouds gather, accumulate, and produce rain and ice. Okay, this is Surah An-Nur verse 43. A'udzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Alam tara anna Allah yuzji sahaban summa ya'allifu bainahum summa yaj'aluhu rukaman fatara al-wadaqa yakhruju min khilalihi wa yanzilu minas samaa'i jibalin fiha min baradin fayasiru bihi man yasha'u yasrifuhu 'an man yasha' yakadu sana baraqihi yadhhabu bil absar. Okay, this is Surah Ar-Rum verse 48. A'udzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Allahu alladzi yursilu ar-riyaha fatasiru sahaban fayabsutuhu fis samaa'i kayfa yasha'u wa yaj'aluhu kisafan fatara al-wadaqa yakhruju min khilalihi fa idza asaba bihi man yasha'u min 'ibadihi idza hum yastabshirun. Okay, before we move to definition and process of wind on cloud events, I will explain the difference in Surah Ar-Rum verse 48 and Surah An-Nur verse 43. In Surah An-Nur verse 43, the process of rain is explained as follows. The first, cloud moves, cloud gather, clouds clump together, and the last, rain or snow falls to the earth. There is a small but complementary difference between the two verses on the process of rainfall. Surah Ar-Rum focuses more on the classification of clouds, and Surah An-Nur verse 43 explains the process of precipitation. Okay, this is the definition on and process of wind and cloud events. Definition of wind and scientific expression of wind and clouds. Wind in the movement of air caused by difference in air pressure and move from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure. Clouds can carry up to 3,100 tons of water but remain afloat in the air. The wind directs clouds to specific areas, bringing down rain and fertilizing the soil. Al-Araf verse 57. The sun is the main driver by creating difference in temperature, and air pressure. The Quran describes the sun as burning lamp that produces energy to power the atmosphere. An-Naba verse 13 until 14. Okay, this is the word of wind in the Quran. In the Quran, there are rih. Rih is singular, used for winds that bring disaster. Riyah is plural, used for winds that bring mercy. Wind as a source of energy, as in the story of Prophet Solomon, who was able to control the wind for his journey. Saba verse 12 and set verse 36.
Okay, it's me again, Daffa. I'm gonna explain about types of wind in the Quran. The first one is area as-sakina, or we call calm wind. The characteristic is the speed is 0 to 1 kilometer per hour, and the effect is does not cause movement and smoke remains upright. This is the basic of wind. And next to area al-aiba, or we call gentle wind. The speed is around 1.6 to 40 km per hour, and the effect is can move lifts and can propel sailing boats. This is safety wind. Okay, the third is area ashi shadida, or we call strong wind. This speed is around 40 to 50 km per hour, and the effect is can move branch and produce a whistling sound. And the fourth is area al-haiba, or we call the storm wind. The speed is around 80 km per hour, and the effect is can topple small the trees. This can make me dangerous. Okay, the next slide. The fifth is ARR, or we call severe storm wind. The speed is around 90 km per hour, and the effect is can uproot large trees accompanied by a roaring sound. And the sixth is Al-Katifa, or super strong storm wind. The speed is around 100 km per hour, and the effect is can destroy buildings and sink ships. This is very dangerous. And the seventh is Aarar al-Atiyah, or called hurricane. The speed is up to 120 km per hour, and the effect is causes destruction in the cities. And the eighth is al-Air, or massive hurricane. The speed is can reach 500 km per hour, and the effect is accompanied by heavy rain and massive waves. And the extreme is natural disaster. Okay, next slide is the types of clouds. The first one is horizontal stretching clouds, or in Arabic is called as-suhub al-basatiyah al-muntada al-ufuqiyah. And the examples clouds is cirrus, altos stratus, and stratocumulus. And the second is clouds, it's clumpy and vertical, and or we call in Arabic is as-suhub ar-ruqamiyah al-muntada ra'ashiyah. The examples cloud is cumulus, cumulonimbus, nimbus stratus, and the others. Okay, we're going to explain about rain formation process. The first stage is it is Allah who sent the wind in Surah Arum verses 48, and the process is air bubbles from in the oceans and burst causes water particles to shoot up into the sky, and the salt-rich particles are transported by the wind and atmosphere and from clouds by collecting water vapor. This process is referred to as called water trap. And the second stage is the wind. Then the wind moves the clouds and Allah spread them out in the sky. And this in Surah Arum verses 48 too. The process is clouds are from water vapor condensing around salt or dust particles. Since water grains are very small, is around 0.01 to 0.02 millimeter. Clouds can hang in the air, and clouds stretch across the sky and cover the earth's surface. And the last stage is then you see raindrops coming out of the cracks. Water particles around grains of salts or dust thicken and form raindrops. Raindrops become heavier and then air and falls to the ground as the rain. So that's the rain formation process.
about water cycle benefit of wine and clouds. This point, this topic has a 6 point. Number one is enhances evaporation. It's mean wine speeds the evaporation of water from shore faces. Number two is moisture transport. Wine distribute water vapor across regions and influencing local climates. Number three is precipitation generation. Clouds from when water vapor condenses leading to rainfall. Number four is temperature regulation. Clouds reflect sunlight, helping to moderate temperatures. Number five is ground groundwater recharge. Rainfall from clouds replenishes groundwater and surface water sources. The last one is number six is biodiversity support. Clouds create habits from microorganism promoting ecosystem diversity. The rain source of essential natural is have also some points. Number one is the importance of rain. Rain plays an important role in providing essential natural to the ecosystem. Number two is capture gases. As it follows, rain capture gases like nitrogen oxide that support planet's growth. Number three is dissolves minerals. Rain dissolves minerals like calcium and magnesium, which enriches the soil. Number four is supporter vegetation. Natural rich rainwater helps healthy planet's growth. Number five is increases agriculture production. Rain contributes in increased agriculture yields. Number six is maintains wildlife. Natural ecosystem depend on rain to sustain wildlife. The last one is as a natural festival. Rain serves as a natural festival that keeps natural and agriculture ecosystem in balance. And we have here two things. When the type is when Wayne is ruling and politician and natural transport. Number one is machine wine transports line wide blowing grinds eating fertilization. Number two is space K for wine pollinated planets like grasses and trees. Number three is reproductive role. Circle for planet reproduction, resulting in fertile and seeds. Number two is transport machine. Wine distribute organic matter, seeds eating natural distribution. The two is ecosystem impact. Promoting colonization enhances planet diversity and supports healthier ecosystems. And really as Ushtul al-Khalifa, human are disappointed as of the earth instead with duty to preserve, maintain natural desculptive balance, stipulation by the character. Two is stipulating resource use. Stewardship involves the responsible utilization of natural resource to promoting environmental stability and enforces harmony within ecosystems. Okay, this is from us, our presentation. Don't forget to make us for like and subscribe. And I hope you liked the presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Bye.